Hello, welcome to the Altec Fusion. In previous video, we implemented the sorting and pagination. For those videos, please refer the links provided in the description. And now moving forward, we will look into the filtering, that is sorting. In this scenario, I am showing that if user is typing any character or string in the input box, then if that string or character is present in the name column, then those things or those entries will get searched. So for that, first of all, we need input box. I am taking the input box. In the input box, we are using keyup event. Generally, keyup event is used to call change detection cycle explicitly. Now we'll move towards TS. Before moving towards TS, I will show you that I created one utility folder. Inside that utility folder, I am having filter data.ts file. In that TS file, I have written one method which will filter out the data as per my requirement. Actually, this code is not efficient. I am just showing how to manipulate the data source. So many multiple ways will be there for filtering, for searching. This is the basic example, basic logic. So this data is nothing but the data source. We are passing to this method from our table ts, table component.ts, and we are taking that data as a parameter. Check parameter is nothing but the whatever user is typing in the input box, and then we are passing the name of that data source and check parameter to compare string method. Compare string method checking whether that parameter is present in the name or not. If it is present, it will return true, else it will return false. Now as we will get here true or false. If parameter is present in the name, true, else false. If it is true, then we'll push the data in the filter data array and we'll return that to that method. This is the simple logic for filtration which I am using. Now we'll move in the TS. In TS, filter data method is there. We are calling this method on the keyup event. Actually, we are initializing the filter data in the constructor and we are calling the method from that file, and we are passing the data source data and the value which is typed in the input box, that is event.target.value. You can see here we are passing here event, and so that we are catching the whatever user is typing, we are catching each and every character, and we got the filtered data from this method. So we are assigning this filter data to the data source data, hence data source is changed, hence total table will get re-rendered and we will get the filtered output. I will save the all files. We'll move into the browser. Okay, now you can see input field is there. If I am typing A in the input field, data get sorted if A is present in the name anywhere. If I am typing V, then only available. Same if I am typing R E A T Y. So this is how we can implement the filtering, that is searching for particular column. You can implement global search as well. It depends on your logic. Actually, the main thing is that manipulating the data source as per our requirement. Thank you. If you are thinking that video is interesting, then please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.